Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 2, number 30, which reads, moreover, the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than those for physicians. 2 or 3 years versus the 7 to 11 required for physicians. One thing about this question, you really actually don't have to pay attention to what comes after the dash. We get it all with what comes before. The other thing is, as soon as you see those and those for, that for, we know that it's testing whether or not the comparison is logical. That and those are pronouns. Every pronoun must have a clear antecedent. The antecedent is the noun that the pronoun refers to or replaces. So, for example, if I say Paul went to the market and he bought popcorn, he is the pronoun. What's the antecedent of he? Paul, because he replaced Paul. So it's checking pronoun antecedent agreement, and it's also making sure the comparison is logical. For example, you would not say Delgado's dilemma was like many other young writers, because then you're comparing a dilemma to a writer. You'd say Delgado's dilemma was like the dilemmas of many other young writers, or if you use the pronoun, you'd say Delgado's dilemma is like those of many other young writers, because those is replacing dilemmas, which is plural. If it was singular, Delgado's dilemma was like that of many other young writers, because then it's one dilemma. So it'd be replaced with that rather than those. So, jumping into this question, what we've got is the antecedent of the pronoun. It looks like, moreover, the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than, the antecedent is period, than the period for physicians. So for that reason, it should be that and not those. Answer choice A is wrong. And then when we look at answer choice B, notice that compared with, notice what comes after the word period, for, period for PAs. Now we're looking at parallel structure. And we have than, so we have a comparison. Whenever you have a list or a comparison, the corresponding sentence parts have to have the same structure. So the period for PAs, and it should be the period for physicians. If we use the pronoun that for physicians, answer choice C is your correct answer. It does not say period compared PAs, that wouldn't work. So we need to have parallel structure there. Answer choice D, the comparison is not logical, because then you're comparing a training period to a physician. I'm going to read it one time. Moreover, the training period for PAs is markedly shorter than physicians. It sounds like physicians are short. Anyway, it's not a logical comparison. One more time, that would be comparing a training period for PAs to a physician rather than a training period for a physician. That for physicians. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with logical comparisons or parallelism or pronoun antecedent agreement. A lot going on with this question. If there's any question you'd like to see from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you can leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.